The Indiana Criminal Justice Institute's Traffic Safety Divisions proudly presents The Sounds of the Game, where all Boilermaker fans can relive the exciting sounds of the game.
Hart with the ball, cross court to Hummel. 1 minute to go in the half, 36-29, jump shot made by Travis Carroll from the right wing. He's run off 4 in a row. Hummel right underneath, there's Tyrone, puts it up and got it! What a shot by Tyrone Johnson. 15 on the shot clock, Tyrone top of the point. They hedge out on him, here comes Tyrone right down the lane, put it up, he was fouled, and he made the bucket. Tyrone Johnson with his 6th point in the second half. 57-53 Purdue, Lewis Jackson left wing. Into the corner, shot on the way. No good by Hummel. Tip up, no good. Tipped in by Travis Carroll the second time.
Great effort by the big fella, staying with it.
Barlow drives left, goes right. Looked at Hummel. Oh, got away with one, and Hummel shoots a jumper, knocks it down left wing. Oh my!
The Indiana Criminal Justice Institute's Traffic Safety Division is a proud partner of the Purdue Boilermakers and want to put the brakes on distracted driving.